This is the fuck where they send us. What in the fuck? Oh, that you're taking that branch. Oh god, yeah. All right.
I think there's one on the roof.
Dude, there's a whole fucking branch on the roof, man. Wow, that was fucking fun, huh? This was a new truck. Vale fucking crashed through a goddamn bridge yesterday. Now we took out like 2 trees. Where the fuck are we?
We're hitting this one for sure.
Oh, yeah. Yay! Oh my god, dude. You gotta see the path of destruction behind us.
Coming through. This is one of the trims and chewies real quick.
Oh my god.
The destination is on your right.
You don't fucking say!
There's no house.
There ain't no goddamn house.
Oh, please tell me we didn't go the wrong road.
There's the only fucking one is in front of us, but this isn't nor right nor left. What is there even a fucking address on this motherfucker?
Arrived.
The door's open. Oh, that's a screen door, never mind.
This looks like the fucking Brady's house, man.
Is there an address?
I don't fucking feel one.
Can I ask if this is Mr. Titsworth?
Hello, are you Mr. Titsworth? You want to call him first and be like, hey, so we're outside of a house. We have no idea who the fuck this is.
We're gonna knock on the door. Somebody got to answer, right? I'll be right back.
All right, man. Don't get stabbed, shot, and/or raped.